Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Golden Greed Plate armor in Crimson Desert. Now first things first, here's my location right here on the map, which is just right next to the Red River. If I zoom out a little bit, you should see me right around the southeast of Tashkalp town, right over here, or just directly under the R of the Crimson Desert. Now the area that we are going to explore is the Bursara Castle ruins, which is just right in front of me. Now there's going to be heaps of enemies around the castle ruins, so you can either choose to liberate the area or just go past them. Now first things you have to do is just jump over here, and once you've reached the entrance of the castle right here, go over to the right side, drop down here where there's a little bit of water, and you should see an entrance right here to the left. You should see this little doorway right here with the square. Now all you really have to do is use your force palm through your middle mouse if you're on mouse and keyboard, and you should just get to the other side. Now over on this chest, as you can see, I've already opened it. Now sorry for that weird cut, I forgot I placed it down inside my private storage, but this should be the stats of the Golden Greed Plate armor, as you can see right here. Now thankfully, the moment you get the armor, it is already at refinement level 4, and that's pretty much it about how to get the Golden Greed Plate armor in Crimson Desert.